Well, this is an absolutely phenomenal experience for an old retired high school English teacher such as myself. And I am so thrilled that the Travis Air Force Base folks have been selected to engage in this 3D printing process and the amazing things that they are doing to make our world a much better place.
The Phoenix Spark Wing Innovation Lab is a program which is run by airmen to bring solutions down to the lowest level.
Spark is a grassroots initiative originally created by airmen to solve the everyday issues and problems of the average wrench turner or the person who sits at a desk all day.
During the COVID crisis, there was a lot of need by folks it was a completely different landscape of what we could and couldn't do, and nothing was ordinary. So some of the needs that they had, in particular for the David Graham Medical Center, the first responders, were the simple things like face masks and shields. So I asked where we could as a community step in and help, and we determined that the 3D printers would probably be the best way that we could really fill in that gap of need and the resource.
With the printers that we have here in the lab, they're smaller built labs. So the PLA is more of a plant-based resin. All it is a little tube of plastic. It melts in a tube and then it tells the tube where to go. We also have a secondary printer in here that is a resin printer, or like a Formlabs resin printer. And what that does is that uses resin and a build plate that once you put the image in, the build plate drops into the resin, the laser fires, hardens the resin, and then it keeps doing it and builds it from the bottom up. You'll see the piece come literally out of the plastic. The new printers which we have here are a huge help with things like the PPE.
Initially, the 3D printers were used in support of COVID relief. While they're still going to be continuing that, they'll additionally be used for training and academia, education, and local outreach.
Elementary school and middle school students in the Levin program are learning how to use these 3D printers. And that's just amazing, just an absolutely amazing experience. And they're doing that because of the folks stationed at Travis Air Force Base and the commanders who saw an opportunity to start with very, very young children, 5th, 6th graders, younger than that sometimes, and the realization that they too are going to learn these critically important skills that will greatly improve not only their own lives, but their parents' lives as well.